Do you know many people are having trouble with creating effective how-to videos with their Xiaomi Redmi Note 12? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Activate video mode. Start by activating the video mode on your phone's camera for recording. Step 2. Plan tutorial content. Plan the content and script of your tutorial. Decide which features of Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 you want to highlight. Step 3. Adjust camera settings. For better quality, manually adjust settings such as shutter speed and ISO in manual mode. Step 4. Create short videos. Short video mode helps in creating 10 seconds long quick video clips with special filters. Step 5. Utilize timer feature. Use the timer feature in photo mode for capturing timed photos. This can demonstrate certain actions better. Step 6. Experiment with tilt shift. Try tilt shift photography for artistic effects in your tutorial video. By following these steps, you should be able to create a captivating and informative tutorial video with your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Xiaomi users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.